Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Rednote video on iPhone. So if you recently started posting on Rednote and you want to learn how to add music to your videos, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store. You want to search for the Rednote app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign. We'll go ahead and post a video. Tap on next. Now to add a music to your post, at the top here, you'll see something called choose music. Go ahead and tap on it. This will now let you choose all the trending music. However, if you want to see more music, go ahead and tap on library, and this will open up a library of music. So here you'll be able to see all the music which Rednote has to offer. Since it's a Chinese app, most of the music will be Chinese. However, slowly, they're also adding in English songs as well. If you want to add your own music, you can go ahead and tap on the import button here at the top right and import your very own music. So to choose this, go ahead and tap on it. Go ahead and tap on a song and then tap on apply. And now that music has been applied to my video. To control the volume, I can go ahead and tap on volume, and I can basically configure if I want the original sound or if I want the music. So I can choose the original sound to be mute and only music playing, or I can do it half. Once I'm happy, I'll tap on the tick, and that will apply the music to my video post on the Rednote app. So there you go, guys. That is how to add music to your Rednote video on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.